Why jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift. And me.
Good morning, you guys. I literally just got up. I don't remember what day we're in. Day 8, day 9, day 10. Like, I don't know. I lost track at this point, okay? Good morning. It's not even that early, but it's early because I went to bed like after 3. You guys, my party. Only Nettie and Kamisha ended up coming, but it was cool because we all got to catch up and talk. There's been so much going on in all of our lives and stuff that it was well needed. And I had company for my first night alone, so that was great. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. I know I really want to record. Well, I have today and tomorrow to record, so I'm not really stressed out about that. There's a few end of the year videos that I want to record and kind of get out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call my mom and see if she needs a ride to go anywhere. I'd probably take her to go do whatever she needs to do this morning and then come back home, go and sleep. Like, I'm tired, but I don't want to stay in my bed. Like, that's all that I had in mind for right now. Hope you guys had an amazing night, start to your weekends and all of that good stuff. So catch you guys later. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 9. I think it is.
With mom?
I'm at the mall with my mom for lunch. Got some Chinese and some tacos and stuff. Okay. We're just here. I have itis. I'm hella tired. She's on the phone talking to her grandchildren.
Yeah, me and my daughter's having lunch together today. You jealous or no? It's wonderful. It's wonderful. She's laughing at her mother.
You ever see anybody supposed to yet? I'm out having lunch with my daughter. Like a she one of daughter.
What Tasia doing?
Anyways, after this she have a look shoes. I'm gonna see if she can buy me one jacket. So let's see. So we're in Payless at the Bigfoot store. I mean the Bigfoot section because my mom. These are cute, Mom.
Oh my god.
What?
We were going to send me to the hospital.
Why would you go to the hospital? What about something like this? This is low.
Hmm?
What about these? Come on, I could change up the style now. It's retiring time. Jesus. If you're not going to wear it now, when you're going to wear it. Typical Jamaicans. What about these? These are cute. You don't like this one, me?
No, Zoe.
What do you guys think? Mom, these are stylish. You need to be stylish. Stop with a hold up something now, man. Just because you're holding them means you have to look and go like you're whole. Jesus. Live a little bit, you know? Put some color. Everything is black. Black or brown. You're not going to school. You can wear white or gray or pink or purple. Thumbs up this video and comment below if your mom used to buy your shoes and buy the polish for go with the shoes. To make sure so you polish your shoes. Cause me did have brown and black polish. White and a foreign. Foreigner after polish their shoes. Can you imagine? That's the life I lived. These are cute. And they're flat. And they're $39. What about... Oh, Mom, we picked up the same shoes. Yeah, that one's nice. And the snow will rub off. And they're not too high, so it can't go up your foot. It's actual. To say, oh my God, I lost my mama. But I found her. Mom, you found me, Eloqua? What are you looking for? Anyways, guys, we're in Lens Mills. I think I've carried you guys here before. I love this craft store. It's a craft store. Get everything here from fabric. Oh, I need new backdrops actually, but today's not the day. Oh, this is towels? This is lit. If I come up with a towel line, would you guys buy it and support? Talk Truth. Talk Truth towels. Talk Truth towels. Up. No, Mom, this is too much color.
No, man, I don't like this on the table.
No. Christmas is only 1 month. One month. I think you forget what kind of shop you have. You're supposed to have like red, golds, and greens. Yeah, this would be a little bit better. But like this and...
No, this one.
No. That one,
Loud one here.
that's too loud.
This loud one.
I can't eat my food on that. This is a pretty cold. This is a pretty cold material, actually. Can't tell the lady have to come out of people them store. Everything she see she have to touch. You're not finished, ma'am. Come me done. Then she gonna say, let's go here. Oh, let's do this. Oh, and then when time catch up, I have to get my shop. Like as she wanna alone have shop. All of this you come a lens meal for one day get something. I need a monkey buy me a I need a chapstick. Watch her face, watch her face. She hates when I ask her to buy me stuff. Mommy, can you buy this for me? I pay you back when I get in the car.
What?
It's chapstick.
Go ahead.
I asked her to buy me these shoes in the store, and she was like, "Oh, don't worry, you might get something bigger and better." Sang for a discount again. Oh my God, it's lit! Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. How much did I get for my discount?
25%.
Why? Someone have to pay about that and my lip gloss technically free.
Crazy, yeah?
I just saved you 25%. Is it gonna be the same thing tomorrow?
Just for tomorrow. Last day.
Tomorrow.
So you better come get your placemat, your tablecloth tomorrow. Bye. No, this way. Oh, never mind. No, this way. This way. Why? Oh, I should get Trisha one of these. Yeah, she would love these. Yes. So yeah, dropping her off now and going home to my bed. It's snowing, you guys. It's snowing. Oh my gosh, Nisha texted me this morning, and where she lives, it was already snowing. She woke up to snow. Oh my God. And I was like, we're not getting snow until Monday, but we're supposed to be getting 5 to 10 centimeters like Tuesday. Like winter is literally here. No more warm weather until May. All my friends on YouTube said they haven't seen you in so long and they missed you because they think you're funny for some reason.
Which one?
The ones on YouTube, the ones that watch my videos on the internet.
Oh.
I just put you on Snapchat and they were like, oh my God, Zoe, we miss your mom. Look how gorgeous she looks. And you guys are out for dinner.
Is that the one for the birthday party?
No, my friends on the internet that watch my YouTube videos.
So you still do that too?
Yes.
Okay.
You're gonna donate to my Get a Camera fund? That's what I want for Christmas. Just money so I can get a new camera. And those red shoes. You guys have seen these bomb ass Puma shoes? Watch, I bet to somebody buy the shoes tomorrow. Anything, I bet to somebody buy the shoes. I need gas. Oh, my gas light just came on. What do you say? What is that?
You want $10?
Like, what is that? I wanted to know if you were gonna stop or if you were just gonna go. Cause you did a push out yourself, like say you didn't know, so you just stop.
What were you saying, Zoe?
Oh my God, that looked like Marlon in his green jacket.
Well, in Jamaica, they know they took some.
I know, right? At his cousin's wedding.
And the place nice. The grass.
Nice. And the grass never even did cut them time there. So imagine when the grass cut and it's pretty and it's nice and it's like, oh my God. So nice. And all these things that I didn't know about, like AC and stuff like that. Like all of those things we did have it, we never know. Lighting, all of them something there. Jesus Christ.
And the king and queen chair.
Yes, oh my God.
We tell them people name so. Special chair.
Special nice chair. Whites and gold. All that stuff she talked. Jesus. You can't hold them out with nothing. You have to make $50. So you can't get your tablecloth.
Oh shit.
You almost forgot.
Just starts.
It's $56.50.
So what do people what they will tell you if they want me to cook the chicken for them or?
Yeah. No, I told her to tell me what she wants, so you can tell me how much it's gonna cost.
Me just they consider. Did I turn off the keke?
Which kettle? At the shop?
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember you having anything on. Where would it have been, on the stove?
Yeah, I put the kettle on 15 the floor, but I turn off and turn off.
I don't think you had anything on.
I hope not, to God. I'll know the bun up down already and catch up.
I'm gonna call you already.
Nobody not call me.
If them break in and call you, them I go call you if you shop a bun down.
Breaking and call me, they don't find number to call me.
Mrs. Smith don't have your number.
The shop number.
Well, we smell it.
Sit down, let's think about it. Come in and wash the floor. I'm in a hurry, you know. I mean, I was just thinking, do this, do that. But I didn't sit down and do what I have to do.
Well, what did you do in a hurry?
You know, because I turn on the stove, wash the floor with the hot water.
Oh yes, people. This lady's gonna tell me she wants us to cremate her body. No.
Who are you talking to?
My friends. Why may I go cremate my mother body when she did? I talk about, oh, no need for use your money and do this, and no need for use your money and do that. When she did, when she tell me, oh, she want me to send her off. And I don't believe in cremation. I don't need to look on ashes. Maybe we'll go sit down in a grass go ball. Why is it coming down so much? Maybe we'll go sit down in a grass go ball. Oh, cremation. From my ear, Papa get cremated, just want to cremate. Anyways, you can say bye to my friends. Tell them you'll see them next time. Oh, tell them you'll see them tomorrow. Tell YouTube you'll see them tomorrow.
Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
I know say at 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock at night, and we just done make Penelope to actuals. Say hi to Penelope, you guys. So I will be looking like Penelope for the next couple of weeks, maybe. Who knows? Years. Who knows? But yeah, I just done make her. And yeah. So this is where I'm gonna end Vlogmas day 9. And I will see you guys tomorrow. This will be a late upload, but I'm getting back on track. So yeah. From now on, okay. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, day, afternoon, whenever y'all watch this, and I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Just like when Christmas a come.